Hello everybody and welcome back to Crafty Made Easy. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sublimate on jewelry cloths. Stand by. So, the simple for this project, all you'll need is some jewelry cleaning cloths. I got these off of Amazon. They were a pack of 50, and I believe they were $12.99 for the pack. They came individually wrapped, and they came wrapped in a rubber band. I will put the link to the jewelry cleaning cloths in the description box below. So if you sell any type of jewelry, bracelets, necklaces, anklets, whatever, and they have like any kind of charms or anything that needs to kind of be clean, these are good to give to your customers when they're ordering a piece of your jewelry. So I wanted to customize it with my logo and my information on it. So I will be sublimating on this. So you will need this. You'll also have to have a sublimation printer, otherwise it will not work. This is like suede or polyester, some kind of material where you are able to sublimate on it easily. So you'll need your sublimation printer, sublimation paper, or you can use copy paper. You'll need your logo design. This is my logo design here. So I have it on my computer, so I'll basically show you via a screenshot on how to put it into your design space, or Word, or even Canva. You can use it in there too if you don't want to use Cricut Design Space, or if you have Silhouette, you can use that as well. But this is small enough where you don't have to make it too big for Cricut, so Cricut will play nice and print and cut very easily. So I'll show you how to do that in a few. Of the tutorial will be just showing you how to upload your logo, upload any information that you may want to put on your jewelry cloth. So I'm just going to upload my logo. Nope, wrong one. And I already have it uploaded, so I'm just going to go to my images and try to find it. I know I have it on here. There we go. So I'm just going to upload my image. And I already measured the jewelry cloth, and it is like a 3x3. So that's what I'm going to actually make this a little bit smaller here. So this is like 2.5 by 1.4. So just kind of make it fit what size jewelry cloth you have. And then I also, because I want to add my some information for like my Instagram and everything, so I want them to follow me on those platforms. So I'm just gonna put a little note: follow me. Nope, follow us at. What do I want to say? Follow our YouTube page. There we go. Follow us on. I wrote it down. I had to find it, y'all. I'm sorry. It's late and I'm like trying to get these videos up, and my brain is like, go to sleep. So I'm going to do that. Follow us on Facebook, and then I'm going to put my handle, but I'm going to put that in a different one because I want to change the color. So which font is this? Oh, this is Cricut. Okay, that's fine. All right, so I'm just going to make this one small. All right, and it's set and cut. So you don't want to cut it out because then it'll be like vinyl or something like that. So you just want to change the fill to print. So it's in a print now. And then I'm going to move it over here and line it up to see how it looks. So I'll just make it a little bit smaller. All right. And I'm going to put my handle. And my handle is the same name as my business. So you always want, whenever you have any type of business, you want all your social media platforms to have the same name. So if you're on Snapchat, you want your name to be the same as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all of that, so people have a better time of finding you and an easier time of finding you, versus putting different names. Like on Instagram is hey y'all, and on Snapchat is hey y'all, what y'all doing? Like, you know, just have it all one thing. All right, so that's my handle, and I'm going to change the color to blue to match my logo. And I'm going to come up here to fill, change it to print so it looks a little different. And then I'm going to make it small so it can go right here. Move this out the way for a second. I'm going to align, center, there we go. And I'm going to group it and move it over here. Make sure that's all right. Okay, well, moved it back. Okay, so I'm going to flatten it. Okay. And since this is small, we won't have any issues printing it through Cricut. So I'm going to go to Make It. And because I'm using my Mac computer is not set up with my printer the way I want it to be set up. You have to do a different step. Matter of fact, let me make sure this is all my printer is set up. I was having issues earlier, so I just want to make sure my printer is set up. So let me just pause this right here and get my printer back connected to my computer. All right, so what I was saying is the Mac is set up through it doesn't reverse my image the way my other computer does. So for some reason it's not set up automatically, so just beware. I can always hit mirror and it'll flip my image, but I'm going to flip it through my printer just to show you how to do it. If you wanted to if you ever forgot to mirror it, you can always go back over here, go down here, and then hit mirror and then hit done. Or you can just do it through your printer. My Epson, I'm going to take the bleed off, use the system dialog. They'll pop up a box. And then you're going to go, let me make sure because I did it yesterday. So not two-sided, medium quality. There we go. So you're going to hit the flip horizontally right there. So then it'll just mirror it for you. So if you ever were like, oh, how do you set it up the way on your printer? And I think you can save, you can save the current settings as a preset. Only on this printer. Yes. All right, so anytime you're printing from your Sublimation printer, it should automatically just go ahead and reverse it for you, so you don't have to mirror it. And they'll be helpful because sometimes we forget to mirror our image. I know I do sometimes, but this will be helpful if you're doing sublimation. So then I'll just go to print. It'll print out my computer, and then we'll go to the next step. All right, so everything is nice and printed out. When you do these on your paper, make sure you put enough images on the paper so you're not wasting your sublimation paper. I did forget to mention that one. All right, so my easy press is trying to time out on me because I had it sitting over here for a minute. So I'm just trying to cut the image in a circle. All right. So next you'll just place it where you want it. And this fits nicely in the middle. So you'll just put it, all right, move this down so y'all can see it. There we go. So it fits nicely in the middle of the jewelry cloth. And you're going to put some paper underneath of, like, because this is a mat that goes to my heat press. You're going to put something on the bottom of it so it does not bleed into your heat press. And then you're going to put something on top of it so it does not bleed onto your easy press or your heat press. Okay. So I'm not going to tape it or anything. So I'm just going to lay the paper on there gently. I'm going to put my easy press on here at 400 degrees. I'm not sure if you can see that. 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And then I'll be back. All right, so our time is up. I'm just going to sit that back on the board. All right, lift this up gently. You can see the image through here. That's why you put the paper there so it doesn't get on your press and it can stain other things. I'm going to go ahead and lift this up, and I'm using sublimation paper. And I'm just going to lift this up. And ta-da! Look at that. So you have a custom design jewelry cloth with your logo on there. Now I did this before on the other side and it was too big and it didn't really press all that well, but I used regular printer paper. It was still in my Lord have mercy, my printer, so I forgot to take it out. So it didn't come out really vibrant or anything, and it was way too big for my liking, so I made it smaller. And the only thing about doing it is that when you press it down, regardless, that's why I cut it in a circle so it wouldn't leave like a lot of lines, but it still kind of left the line of the paper. So that's the only thing about it, is it can leave like the line of the paper. But other than that, that looks good. So you can, if you want to, let me put it closer. There we go. You can go ahead and custom design your jewelry cloths to go along with your jewelry in your like packet with your card, with your business card, with your thank you card and stuff. And you can put this in there with your jewelry just to give them, and then they can have it to, to clean their jewelry, and then they can see, oh yeah, let me go to the Instagram, let me go to the Facebook, and there is the your business name or whatever. So I like it. I probably will, if they have like any white ones, I'll probably try to get white ones so you can see more of my logo, because you really can't see like the watermark or the words that's down there. But at any rate, you can see the business name, you can see where to follow us at, so that's all good there. So I like it, and I'll probably sub on the rest of them so I can go ahead and put it into my little bag with the piece and the what did I just say? The piece of jewelry, the thank you card, and the business card. So this will be like it could be like a little gift to them too. All right, y'all. So that is the end of this video. If you like everything that was in this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're watching this video and you like the content that is on this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. All right, y'all. Until next time. Peace.